Life path number 2. Your character traits are: can be a good friend, naturally expresses love and friendship, sensitive to the feelings of others, shows much consideration to others, denies self's material needs for others. The lesson: a life path 2 must learn to cultivate his or her talents to contribute to a group relationship even though he or she may not receive adequate acknowledgement and thanks. While having many good ideas, the life path 2 should learn to pass them on and let others spread them, thus stepping out of the spotlight. The life path 2 should learn that the use of quiet persuasion is more effective than the use of trying to force ideas on others or the group in general. The need here is to develop his/her sensitivities and group skills while learning to work effectively with others. Challenges learning this lesson: refusing to accept the part of subordinate and insisting on a leadership role will only result in confusion and ineffective guidance to the group as a whole, thereby a denial of soul growth through experience. Control and balance of the life path 2 sensitivity is the key to soul growth and development. Take control of your strengths and increase the happiness in all areas of your life.
If you gained value from the information, please be sure to share this with others, provide your reactions in the comments and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you and want to keep you educated. A positive and fulfilling life is at your fingertips. It's possible for you and we want to help you on your journey.